Hello dogs, it is Roy Unicorn Tech 14, and today I'm going to be showing you Shaun White shoes. And basically how to tie them as well. These are very cool shoes. So, let's try and tie them. Hold on. I'm going to clip it to my DS. I already clipped it to my DS, so, okay. So, first shoe, might be a little bit hard to, like, get it in. Hold on, I'm going to be right back with the scissors. Okay, so now we're going to cut this. Okay, we got that. Big white string, we'll just put that in there. Scissors. Okay, now let's try this. As you can see, they're all clean and nice. Okay, now show you how to tie your shoes. So you take these two right here, and then cross one under, and pull it really tight. Okay, and then make a loop and you hold it there, and then you wrap it around, and then you see a little hole at the end. Pull it through. Bam, you got a knot. Yeah? No, I'm making a video. Alright. Okay, anyways, so that's that. So then we cut the tag off this. Real quick. I'm not supposed to be wearing these until school time, but oh well. And these are pretty nice shoes. And then you can do a little less time. Cross them, put it under, tighten it really hard, and then make a loop, turn it around, put it between the hole. Nope, that's not one. Alright, let's redo that. So, you cross them, put the one under, tighten it really hard, and then you gotta make a loop, and wrap it around, put it through the hole, take it, and nope, not again. Don't. Okay, technical difficulties, so keep doing that. I'm not gonna stop until I get it right. Keep messing up, darn it. Okay. Don't gotta save a lot of space. There we go. Maybe now we got it. Well, those are the new shoes. Alright dogs, just go and get a good look on the shoes again. I'll let you get a good look on the shoes. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Okay, bye.